Hello friends, my name is Dhruv. Today I have made a crane in Robofun Lab Ahmedabad. The kit I have used is Vidu 2.0. I have used components like smart hub, motor, gears, axles, pulleys and many more. I have programmed it. First the crane will rotate, then it will make a sound of alarm and then I will crank it down. I have used a mechanism called the ball and ratchet mechanism. This kind of crane is used in construction sites to lift heavy load from one place to another. Let me show you a demo. Thank you.